A video of how to change your taillights, or at least how to take out your taillights off your Nissan Cube Generation 3 Z12. All you need is a 9mm bolt, take out the screws, and a flathead. That's all you need. Alright, first start taking off these. It's really simple. And you take off these. Simple as that. Alright. What's next is you gotta take these out. These. All you need is a flathead. Alright, you see this? Just twist it and it'll come off. Just twist it and it'll get freed. It's kind of hard doing this because it's one-handed. But after you've done that, just pull these off. It just comes off. After that, you're going to take this out, these, using a 10mm bolt. You take it out. See? Alright, now, there's a little trick here. So what you have to do is get it off here first to take this whole thing off. So what you do is grab your flathead again. Alright, just slightly stick it in here. And slightly pulling here to snap, it comes off. See that? See as that? It just comes off. And voila! You have access to your lights, and you can change whatever you want on there to replace. Thanks for watching.